Boom! What's up, fam bam? It's your boy James R. Davis Sr. coming to you live this morning. Looking at these live orders. It's crazy. It's crazy. Java Slim and Complete Protein Superfoods has been a hit. Get all these orders from yesterday. Diana ordered some Complete. Tamika ordered Love Box. Nancy ordered Complete. June B ordered some Java Slimmer, Complete Protein, Java, Complete, Slim, Java Slim, Complete, Essential Oils, Complete, Blend, Circulate, Java Slim, Complete, Java, Complete, Healing Trilogy, Complete, Slimmer and Vitality, one of my favorites. Slimmer and Vitality again, Java Slim. I wonder who won yesterday, Java Slim or Complete. Launched new products yesterday. As of January 12th. Yeah, January 12th. Let's see here. Yep, January 12th. Slim Fat Burning Coffee and Complete Superfood. Complete Protein Superfoods. So, yeah, man, business is booming still. And new products have launched. Complete and Java Slim. First day, not bad at all. Rocking and fucking rolling. HBN still the truth, man. The most loyal customer base I've seen in my 20 years of being involved in network marketing. It is what it is. It's your boy. Peace.